Hey all of you, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, it's basically a very special video. So if you see me right now, I'm actually sitting on my table, and the reason I'm here today, so first let me tell you something, that this is a new mic. So I don't know how good is it going to work. It's just a mic that I bought for this particular use, so I hope it's going to be good. Okay, so next, if you see with the way I look, if you guys know how to guess it, I'm going for a vacation. So I'm going on a vacation to India. So sorry for the squeaks. So this vacation is going to be a bit special for me because this is my first vacation in the pandemic, and also my very first vacation after I finished my schooling. So from now on, we're going to have something called as an Indian series that's going to come out. So this Indian series is going to have, like, the travel vlogs from Bahrain to Chennai. So I'm going to Chennai. So I'm going using Gulf Air's Airbus A321. So we're going to go from Bahrain International Airport using Gulf Air to Chennai, and then we'll be returning from Chennai using Gulf Air's Airbus A321 back to Bahrain. And in between this, I'll try to have some of good contents, which includes which college I'm planning to study, what course am I planning to study. These all will be coming in this series, and if anything more interesting happens, that also will be on. And okay, so I'll just tell you the plan for this video. This will just be one part, so I'll not have part by part. So it might be a bit long video, so you guys can even forward, but please watch the entire video. It makes me happy also. So this video I'll be showing you the new Bahrain International Airport. Then I'll be showing the flight. That's my seat, the food, the seatings, etc. Then after I land in Chennai, I'll just sign off there and I'll leave. So this will be the videos, the content for this video. And if you notice up over here, that's green shield. So I'm vaccinated. So I'm 17 and I'm vaccinated. So if you guys can also get vaccinated, just do it because it's safe. It keeps you somewhat safe. It gives you somewhat away from the seriousness. So yeah, that's it. I was just stuck for a second. So the things that I'm using for this video is this mic, and then there's a Gorilla Pod that I bought for my phone, and then my phone that's being recorded here. So hope this video comes out great. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Rishikesh Raghavan. Finished my schooling and waiting to get admitted into college. That's it, nothing much about me. Let's see how this video is going on, and sorry if there's any noise or any inconvenience because of this mic. Have a good day. I'll meet you when I reach the airport. Tata and bye. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So if you could have seen the starting before. That was the introduction of today's video. So a little bit of photos will be there before this part. So that's the Bahrain International Airport's counter, immigration, and the check-in. Okay, and right now where I am is the inside. That's the terminal bridges. So here, if you see in the top, that's the Pearl Lounge. And there's a Porsche standing over there. So I'll be putting the photos. Other than that, it's all shops. So compared to the previous airport, this is so big. There is a jet there's a private jet taking off over there. There's a lot of shops. I'm not talking much over here because the airport is so silent, and whatever I speak, they can hear it. So this is the front view of this is the airport. And after I go to the gate, I'll show you more about how it is in the apron, the landing, the takeoff, taxi, etc. Okay guys, so this is from there. If you walk away a few feet, you will find this place. Now what is this is basically, so if you see down, okay, so this is like a play area. So I think you can pay and you can play. So they have Xbox, PlayStations. Here down they have the PlayStation PS5. They have more PS5s than people in their houses. Now this screen, once again, this is a screen, and right above that, that's the tower. So that's the main tower, air traffic controlling tower, and this screen is where they play Formula 1 matches or any matches that is really a big thing will be over here. So I'll show you the next things. I don't know if you guys can hear it. So this one over here, this is like an art piece that they brought from made in Bahrain. It's up over here. So they're all stones with steel for as legs. And this one is the entire airport's frame. This one over here is a new airport that they actually finished. Okay, and then that's general aviation. That's the terminal that was used before. So this is when they were constructing. The yellow one over there, there's 2. That's the old airport, and the 3 was the parking for that. This one over here is the airport we are standing right now, and that's the taxiway, and that's runway. So that's 30R and 30L is over here, and that's the beach where I uploaded the last week's video. So if you see, you can see a lot of private jets, cargos, etc. Okay guys, so I might have showed you a photo of Porsche. So now this is Bahrain duty free. So this is the actual Bahrain airport duty free. Okay, and then if you buy things up over here and you get some tickets to win this Bentley Continental GT. So if you guys can see, what a wonderful car. So it has some of the biggest brakes, a V8 with a wonderful leather interior, and this is such a wonderful car, one of the UK's biggest car companies. Okay, and then there's Rolex and others. And now I'll just go a little bit more that side, looking for something to eat, because the lounges are not accepted by right now. So I think it's wonderful, right? There is a flight standing over there. So I think after I go a little bit more closer, I'll try to get a photo of that for you. Okay guys, I just had something to eat from like the restaurants up over here. And okay, so this is the entire airport. So right now I'm standing almost at the center, and that thing up over there is the Falcon Lounge. Okay, and if you look out from here, so this baggage cart, there's an Airbus A320 Gulf Air, and if you look up, see, that's a Neo. Okay guys, so this is the apron. Okay, and then if you see up over here, this is where the flights would come and stand. Okay, so you see there and there. So now for a flight, that's a Boeing 787, Boeing 777, Airbus A350, Boeing 777-5-X, 350s, all of them, and 340s, 380s will stand here in this mark. And all the flights that comes under the category of 220, 737, Embraer 195, 190, 321, 321, 175 from Embraer, Boeing 737, and Airbus A319 will park here. So the airway bridge extends until there and can exit. And then after that, if you see, there's that red mark up over there. Behind that is the taxiway. So that's basically a runway that's been converted to a taxiway. So this side is 30. So this is 30, and that's where I took the last 2 videos. And behind that is the actual runway, and there you see that's the cargos. So they have few cargos, and then they have few private jets parked up over there. So I'll meet you after, if I see something wonderful, and I'll see you on the flight. Okay guys, so finally after a very big walk, we're sitting in like this place. So what you see behind me is the Pearl Lounge. Okay, so they are like having some just now they are starting to have one like connection between some people, so that's why it's not like allowed for some card members. That's why we had to eat outside. And then that's the flight. So that's the Gulf Air Airbus A321. This is the old flight. So yeah, that's it. So this is the flight. It's pretty small, and I think I'll be sitting in those last rows. Okay, so the seat number is 32 or something. So somewhere there. That's the baggage. So that's everybody's baggage. So one of 6 or 7 of that is our 6. 8. I don't know how many baggages. So that's there. And yeah, that's it. Airport. This is the baggage, the thing that lifts the baggage into the aircraft. This is like, it works out with Emirates. So that's that. This is the stairways. Okay, steps to the door. And that is the baggage loader. So, 1 second guys, I'll come back. So that's it. I think you guys can hear me. I'm not sure. So that's it, and I think 1:10 or something, if I'm not wrong, 1:10 will be the boarding time, so we have to wait until 1:10. So yeah, the Bahrain International Airport is pretty empty now. The reason is because Bahrain used to have 150 flights a day, so 150 flights a day for every country, but right now Bahrain has around 6 flights. So that's roughly like how much? 144 flights less. Yeah, 144 flights less. So that's why it's actually pretty dry. And then the Airbus A380 is not coming. And then I don't see any flights landing right now. So that's it. I'll check if any flights are landing. I'll try to put that as a video. And yeah, if you're new and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and more videos will be coming from now on. I think you'll have roughly 4 to 5 videos in a span of 1 month plus. So let's see. I'll meet you guys while boarding, so I can show you the seats. So I think you'll go from Falcon and you'll go straight, so you can see how the business class is of the flight all the way until economy. I'll show you the seats, the food, if I'm not on the foot, and that's it. If you can vaccinate, get vaccinated guys. Vaccinating is a good thing. Check out with your doctors and make sure you're fine for getting vaccine. That's it. Nothing much. I like the music up playing over here. So yeah, like I was telling the gate starts from that side, so it's like there. That's 13, all the way that side until I think 22. Then the old airport was closed, so I don't know when it's opening. So yeah, I'll see you that day. Okay guys, basically, if you guys know, I can't say anything from here because there's this big building, but the flight radar says that there's a US Navy's private jet that's gonna land. So hopefully it'll just go like this. So I'll check if I can show you that. So this video will be pretty long, sorry for that, but yeah, if you like the video, please like it, comment what you feel about the video, and subscribe to the channel. That's it. So yeah, right now they have started the APU of the engine of that aircraft. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but when the APU starts, you can find like the gases kind of, yeah. I don't know why the flight was about to land, but now it's still high up. So okay guys, so when the APU starts, there's like a gas thing that comes out. So that's gas, it comes out from the back. That's too, because when they start the APU, you can like cool the entire engine flight, so the whole flight's air conditioning and all the systems will be on. I think that's what they did. So yeah, here goes the baggage loading point. So that a guy drives it up over there, and yeah, slowly they're opening the door. Actually, it's a huge task to even do this, because right now outside is somewhere around 36 degree or something, 26 or 36 degrees Celsius. It's summer, it's literally summer, it's the mid of the day, and people are working outside without mask, and it's going to be difficult for them. So if you can see that he's opening the loading door. So many people don't show this when they do YouTube. When they record, they show the seats, show the flight, but they don't talk about the difficulties these guys are going through. So a huge salute to such people, because they are the backbone of aviation right now. And here there are more people coming to work. So basically he will drive his vehicle and attach that belt up there. So now those guys will go inside the cargo compartment, and the bags, once they go up this ramp, they will collect it and place it in the flight. So now this job also requires a lot of patience, because that decides the takeoff weight and how much they should pull up in case. So yeah, huge salute to them. So anyway, I will be back on this same aircraft. So the aircraft you see now, that's what I'll be back with. So in Chennai airport, this is the schedule when I'm coming back. The Chennai airport, same like what happens in this video. I'll show the Chennai airport, if possible the lounge, the flight, the food, the seat, into Bahrain. That's it. So hopefully you guys will like it. So now the man he's walking up over there, so he's the man who placed the luggage rack, luggage loading belt. So he will get all the luggages over there. So I think he might pull it, but then like there's a vehicle up over here, so I think he might pull it. I'm not sure. Yeah. So I think the Gulfair is out of service for now. So here there's a follow me car. So something famous about follow me cars, we might have just normal RAV4s, I think, if I'm not wrong, but some airports like in Italy has a Lamborghini follow me car, BMWs and all. So that's a follow me car, and that's the aircraft. It's being tugged to the bridge. And here goes the vehicle to get the luggages. So I'm sorry guys, there's this white color pole, so that's it, the pole that's disturbing the view. Yeah, there comes the US Navy flight. So the luggage is going on one by one. Okay guys, so I'll meet you next later. See, there goes the RJ8. That's from the Bahrain Royal Force. So basically that is an iconic flight. I've seen that in different places, and there is a Boeing 787. If I'm right, 737. Yes, 737. So that's a private jet that's going to take off. So now it's taxiing. I'll show you when it's going to take off. So some private jet customer in Bahrain wants a 737 as a private jet. Wow. So they have finished, I think, the front. So there's a little bit more left. So they're working on with that. So once they finish this trolley, this thing up over here is a food truck. So this has all the food, and it will load up there. So this cart will move, and I think they will, or I'm not sure, I think they'll remove this. The food truck will move in place, store the food, and they'll pack it up. So guys, right now I'm at the end of the airport. So gate number 13A, 30B, end of the brand new airport. So from here, everything you see that sign is the new terminal, the parking lot, and this side is the airport, and they're doing some construction still for the new taxiway. So as I told you guys, they moved the luggage, they got the food truck, doors open, food's going in, and yeah, the flight's actually running on its APU. Once we get in, after the pushback, we'll start the engines. That's it. So the time at present is almost 1. There's around 10 minutes to 1. So I think 1:10 they'll start the boarding, and 1:50 they'll take off. So at 1:10 I'll meet you guys. That's it. So the food truck has done its job, and now fueling. So fueling again, what happens is in the ground, so if you see like these, right, these are all like drainage holes, and then that things, this one over here and here, and then there's one over there. So that's for fuel. So it has air fuel present in the ground in tanks. So it's all like a station wise, and then the truck, what it does is that it's first let it focus. Yeah. So if you see the man over there, he's first putting the orange pipe. That's the pipe that extracts the fuel from the ground. It takes it up through the truck, and then it goes there. Then there's a wire over there that gets connected to the flight here in the wing. So why in the wing is because the gas tank is present in the wing, and that's why the food truck is over, so it's going back. Yeah, so once they finish fueling, they'll I think be doing it to this side. I'm not sure about that, but I think from here that's enough. So yeah, so that's the process is going on right now slowly. And yeah, that's it. That's Gulfair's logo. Gulfair's old version colors. The new one has changed. So yeah, that's it. Okay guys, so now it's 1 o'clock. So I thought 1:10 it's 1, and they have requested passengers in zone 1 and zone 2. That's zone 1 will be the last rows, zone 2 will be before that to start boarding. So yeah, we'll be leaving and I'll show you when I enter the flight.
Shining star, giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start.